Hi, student of 10 plus for class. This is the mathematical class and I proceed to exercise 10.1. We are taken question number 10. Find the angle between the x-axis line joining this. So M1 becomes x tangent 0 degree. Theta becomes 0 degree. So 0 degree equal to 0. And M2 equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we are given that point 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 and 4 minus 3 minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1. So we are looking here, find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining this. So tangent theta equal to plus minus m1 minus m2, 1 plus में m1 m2. So this is the 0 degree, tangent 0. Tangent 0 degree plus minus m1. Also we are taking 0. Find the angle between them, that is theta. 0 minus plus 1, 1 plus minus 1 into 0. So we are taken tangent theta equal to 1 and tangent theta equal to minus 1. So tangent theta equal to tangent 45 degree. So theta equal to 45 degree and tangent theta equal to minus tangent 45 degree. Also write down tangent theta equal to tangent 180 degree minus 45 degree and tangent theta equal to tangent 135 degree. Also theta equal to 135 degree. We get an answers. We are taken 27. Students, we are taking question number 11. The slope of the line is double of the, so m1 equal to m and m2 equal to 2m. Find the tangent of the angle between them, that is tangent theta equal to 1 upon 3. Find the value of m. So tangent theta equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 upon में 1 plus m1 m2, that is 1 upon 3 plus minus m1, that is m minus 2m and 1 minus 2m into m. So 1 upon 3 equal to minus m upon 1 minus 2m square and 1 upon 3 equal to plus m upon 1 minus 2m square. So we looking here 1 minus 2m square equal to minus 3m and 2m square minus 3m minus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to, we are taken m equal to 2m square minus 2m, that is the minus 1 plus 1. So we are taking this 3 1 ja 3 and 2 2 ja 2. Also we are taking 1 minus 2m square equal to 3m and 2m square plus 3m minus 1 equal to 0. So we are taken these equalities. m square minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. That is plus 1 and that is minus 1. So m be taken out. m minus 2m and 1 plus minus 2m square. So we are taken 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equal to 0, and 2m square minus 3m and plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. We get an answers. In question number 12, a line passes through x1, y1 and hk. The slope of the line equal to, that is h minus x1, that is m, becomes equal to k minus y1 upon में h minus x. So m h minus x into k minus y1. Also we get an answers. That is question number 12. Homework. Student, do complete exercise 10.1 in fair notebook. Thanks a lot. This is my today's topic.